Hey everybody, today, this is my first challenge one, so I'm working on the subscribe thing. Don't type in the comments what you think about this video, and click the like button, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. Today, we are going to be doing the Handcuff Cat Challenge. Okay, so we got a pair of beautiful handcuffs here. They're not real toy kind. See? So it's the toy kind. We got our cat. Do you remember you? Katie, do you remember? Say hi. Say hi. Hi, I'm a kitty. Okay, so we're going to be doing this challenge today. We're going to see. I'm going to kind of walk around with him and see what he thinks. So we got our handcuffs. Gonna come right over there. Underneath that right there. So we want to get that handcuff. Oops, wrong side. Okay, so we got. Now we're gonna completely wind that down because his collar is so small. Okay. And we're gonna put this down. We're gonna lock that on there. Now I'm stuck. Okay. The challenge has officially started. We're both chained together. See? Okay, so this is our challenge. Let's see how long the kitty can go. Come on. Yeah, cat mouth. Come on, you. The little. Now. Good donkey. It's a new walker system. Look at that little face right there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm a kitty now. Okay. Well, that is the That's the handcuffed cat challenge. Gotta uncuff myself. Just remember, everybody, always love cats. Allow them to eat as much food as they want. And make sure that they are afraid of circles. My cat is. When I have a hollow frisbee, I put it over him, and he panics and he runs. So it's hilarious, but you get the idea. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.